Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your market coins app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is so you just you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. Then you come to next CPU, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on push notifications. Then you come to next CPU, it's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down, you just keep going down here. Come here to event permissions here. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here event permissions notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.